Welcome to the Success Playbook by Expertrons and Shine. Before Mumbai became skyscrapers and ceilings, it was 7 islands. And before fine dining seafood restaurants, there were Kohli homes. Fresh catch, slow cooked masalas, and recipes passed down through generations. But here's the real question. Can a deeply rooted community cuisine scale across India without losing its soul? Today's guests are not just building restaurants, they are building a coastal legacy. Joining me are Bhavesh and Manisha, the founders of Mihai Kohli, Mumbai's coastal Kohli dining experience now expanding across India. Hey Bhavesh, how are you doing?
Hi Jatin. Thank you for inviting us.
Hey Manisha, how are you doing?
Yeah, hi. Great, Jatin.
Thanks for being part of the show. I'm sure our audience will learn a lot from the both of you. Of course, Bhavesh comes with an engineering background, turned into advertising professional, and now, of course, turned into restaurateur. And Manisha, you started in the interior designing space, and now, of course, you are providing this experience at Mihai Kohli, which it is known for. Together, you have built 3 profitable dine-in restaurants and taking authentic Kohli cuisine pan India. Thanks for being part of the show. Let's begin. Let's go back to the beginning. When did you realize this cuisine deserved more than just local love? And was there a moment when you felt that this shouldn't just stay limited to Mumbai? Bhavesh, can you highlight a little on that?
In 2009-10, we were searching for a restaurant that serves authentic Kohli cuisine, and actually we were not successful in finding one. So at that moment, we realized that it's our responsibility to build one and to serve the oldest cuisine of Mumbai to Mumbai. And this is how the Mihai Kohli was born.
Wow, very interesting. Bhavesh, of course, like आपकी journey 15 साल लंबी रही थी. And I'm sure बहुत ups and downs आए होंगे ये पूरे journey में. Happy to know more on कि how did, like, what keeps you going at night? Of course, because this restaurant business is not as easy as it seems to an outsider. So what kept you going every single day?
Basically, we are our first customer, me and Manisha. So ऐसा मेरी mom की जो side है वो मालवनी है और मेरी जो dad की side है वो कोहली है. तो मैं बचपन से ही मालवनी और कोहली ये दोनों कुजीन पढ़ा हुआ हूँ. बट जब भी किसी रेस्टोरेंट में मुझे वो नहीं मिलता था तो मैं घर पे खाता हूँ, राइट. तो मुझे एक ऐसा स्पेस चाहिए था जहां पे वीक के सारे 7 दिन मैं खा सकता हूँ. और हमें एक ग्रैंडमा का जो हमारा कुजीन था उसको हमें कहीं कुछ एक लॉजिक से प्रिजर्व करना था कि मतलब हर जनरेशन के बाद एक अपना फूड होता है वो डिटोरिएट होते जाता है. तो जस्ट हम ट्राई करना था कि जो हमें मिला है एटलीस्ट वो तो प्रिजर्व करे हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए.
No, that's so amazing, Bhavesh. I think बहुत जरूरी है कि जो ये जो generational cuisine है that keeps getting passed down because a lot of that is of course starting to disappear. A lot of authentic Mumbai, authentic food, all of that is starting to disappear.
पैलेट जो है वो काफी डिफरेंट कुजीन्स के लिए रेडी है. बहुत सारी चीजें खाई हैं और पैलेट वैसे सोचते. बट अभी कैसे हो गया, बहुत लिमिटेड पैलेट हो गया. लोगों को सब कुछ वही वो 4-5 पैलेट से ही जज करते. तो एवरी कुजीन का एक खुद का न्यूआंस है, खुद का एक मजा है, तो वो हमें लेना चाहिए.
Very interesting. I think being a founder, because you're very passionate about the space, you're very passionate about the Kohli food and all of this. I think that's what keeps you going at night. I'm sure जब आप अपने cause में बहुत ज़्यादा attached होते हो, तो of course that keeps you going. So really good to know. The passion of course shows Bhavesh in your work. Manisha, this of course question is for you. कि last 15 years of course it must be a long journey for the both of you. उसमें कुछ ऐसा experience, कुछ ऐसा interesting किस्सा जो आपके साथ हुआ है which has stayed so memorable with you even till date. Anything, कोई ऐसा story जो आप हमारे साथ share?
जैसे कि किड्स आता है हमारे पास, तो किड्स के लिए हमने एक मेन्यू रखा था. बट मतलब उनको रोटी चाहिए या नूडल्स चाहिए, तो वो हमने कभी रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं किया. बेसिकली अदर्स रेस्टोरेंट्स में कैसे होता है कि नहीं, आउटसाइड फूड इज नॉट अलाउड. बट हमारे यहाँ पे किड्स के लिए वैसे हमने कुछ रखा नहीं है कि हम बाहर से जाके जो किड्स को चाहिए. मे बी हम पहले लॉलीपॉप हमारे पास नहीं था, बाद में हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. तो हम किड्स के लिए लॉलीपॉप बाहर से मंगा के उनको दे देते थे.
नहीं, कस्टमर को चाय भी दी है. मतलब रात के 11:30 बजे थे और एक कस्टमर ग्रुप था, तो उनमें से किसी एक ने बोला कि अरे यार चाय मिल जाती तो अच्छा होता था. तो फिर हमने पूछा उसको कि चाय चाहिए क्या, तो हमने चाय बना के उसको दी थी. मतलब ऐसा.
वाह. नहीं, आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स कस्टमर फर्स्ट अप्रोच है आपके ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का एंड आपके रेस्टोरेंट का, ऑफ कोर्स दैट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन द इथोस. तो एनीवन हु इज कमिंग देयर, अगर उन्हें लगे कि हाँ जो कस्टमर को चाहिए आप वो प्रोवाइड कर पा रहे हो, तो ऑफ कोर्स दैट हेल्प्स यू स्केल इवन मोर फास्टर. So really good to know, and of course stories like these of course keeps you going also, Bhavesh and Manisha. So good to know कि आप लोग कस्टमर फर्स्ट अप्रोच रखते हो एट मिहाई कोहली. एंड लाइक हाउ, लाइक बिकॉज यू केम फ्रॉम एन एडवर्टाइजिंग बैकग्राउंड एंड नाउ ऑफ कोर्स shifted to the restaurant space. So how was that shift for you?
Initially, I was doing both the things. Means half the time I was in the advertising. I shifted fully in the restaurant business in 2014. Huh.
Okay.
That was the time I completely dedicated my time to Mihai Kohli restaurant.
Interesting. And how was the shift from being in the corporate to, of course, running a restaurant yourself? So how was that for you?
Actually, advertising was my first love, so it was difficult to toggle between both the businesses. So I have to choose one. So I chose Mihai Kohli,
Very
and it was a
interesting.
good decision because right now I can say that was a good decision.
Very interesting. No, I think the entrepreneur at heart always wants to do something of their own. So I'm sure that would have pulled you away from doing advertising and of course moving towards running your own restaurant. So and of course both of you of course seem very passionate about this coastal cuisine. So good to hear about your thoughts, Bhavesh and Manisha. Of course, always there is a question in entrepreneurs mind कि जब भी हम एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं कि हमने किस मिशन, किस विजन को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये स्टार्ट किया है. तो कैन शेड अ बिट ऑफ अ लाइट ऑन कि व्हाट इज द मिशन ऑफ मिहाई कोहली, एंड आप अभी कहाँ इसको देखते हो अगले 3 से 5 साल में?
Basically, in the last 15 plus years, we have served all around 1 million customers, happy customers. So next 2-3 years, we hope that we serve another 10 million happy customers.
So good to know कि आप you have already served 1 million customers and you have helped them, of course, bring them that joy of authentic cuisine जो आप serve कर रहे हैं. And I'm sure मतलब अगले कुछ सालों में you'll of course be also serving 10 million customers, will be able to help them get this authentic taste, authentic Mumbai experience जो आप ले जाना चाहते हो pan India. So good to know that. Manisha, this of course is for you. Ambience defines memory. How did you design the space that feels authentic yet not overly themed or artificial? So how did you get to that?
Inspirational from Mumbai's home actually. That windows, that doors, that brass utensils, and that typical architecture we mostly use and in that eras basically. That nostalgic feel also we give to customer.
Wow. Very interesting, because of course that has a very good nostalgic feel, that has something to do with older Mumbai feel, and kind of bringing that authentic experience to someone who is coming to your restaurant. That is of course that gives them that vibe which of course remains in their memories even after they have left your restaurant. So that of course brings a soul to your restaurant. But how was that experience of kind of designing your first restaurant, and how did you kind of put all of it together?
जो मेरे घर पे एक्चुअली स्मॉल थिंग्स होते हैं, दैट्स
Right.
ब्रास यूटेंसिल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, वो हमने ट्राई किया है हमारे रेस्टोरेंट्स.
Wow. So पहला रेस्टोरेंट के डिजाइनिंग में you started with कि घर के ही आइटम्स उठा के पिक करके
Yes,
and then
yes.
you start with that, and
Yeah,
design and interiors करते वक्त what did you think about?
बेसिकली लेआउटिंग से हमने स्टार्ट किया कि होम में पहले वुडन कलर्स थी. बेसिकली कोहलीज में ब्लू और रेड कलर्स होते हैं. कोहलीज बेसिकली
Right.
कलरफुल, सो हमने कलर्स वहां पे ऐड किए हैं उसमें डालने के. सो जैसे कि मियाई को अब देखोगे तो रेड एंड ब्लू कलर्स हमने उसमें डाले हुए हैं.
Amazing. I'm sure, I mean, someone who visits Mihai Kohli, कोहली का ऑथेंटिक फील, इवन लाइक राइट फ्रॉम जैसे आपने कहा ना कि कलर्स से लेके क्या यूटेंसिल्स में वो खा रहे हैं से लेके जो ये टोटल एक्सपीरियंस है, दैट मैटर्स, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स खाना खाने से पहले आप पहले ये सारी चीजें एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, एंड इट इज मोर अबाउट द कंप्लीट एक्सपीरियंस.
एक खुद का एक आर्किटेक्चर है, मतलब छोटा छोटा न्यूआंसेस है जो हमने कैच करने की कोशिश की है.
हाँ जी.
मतलब एक स्पेसिफिक डोर्स होते थे
हाँ
90s में किसी भी
हाँ
हम मुंबई के घर में जाते थे ना, तो एक
हाँ
तो हम ट्राई किया है कि वो डोर्स, वो विंडोज, मतलब
वाह
एक छोटा सा नॉस्टैल्जिक वैल्यू रहता है उसमें। हाँ, जो
वाह
आज दिखने को नहीं मिलते, बट 90s मतलब कुछ लोग
हाँ
हैं जो मतलब जब जो उनके बच्चों को लेके आते हैं और वो
हाँ
बताते हैं कि ये ऐसे मेरे घर पे था, वैसे मेरे घर पे था,
हाँ
तो वो जब भी
हाँ
सुनते हैं तभी अच्छा लगता
आपने ऐसी वाइब दी है अपनी जगह को कि इट हैज बिकम अ प्लेस फॉर सेलिब्रेशन फॉर लॉट ऑफ मुंबई। तो आप थोड़ा उस पे हाईलाइट करना चाहेंगे बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज समथिंग यू हैव क्रिएटेड, लाइक आपने उसको बहुत अच्छी वाइब दी है एंड इट हैज बिकम अ प्लेस फॉर सेलिब्रेशन। सो एनी ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंस जो आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे, हाँ भावेश एंड मनीषा।
बेसिकली हमने ना काफी ग्रैंडफादर्स और ग्रैंडमास के, तो बेसिकली ऐसा है कि मे बी उन्होंने हमारे आउटलेट को, दे कैन सेलिब्रेट देयर बर्थडेज, या फिर उनके बच्चों ने मे बी चूज किया है मियाँ कोहली को कि दे कैन सेलिब्रेट देयर बर्थडेज एट आवर प्लेस। जो हमने सोचा था, मतलब जो थॉट प्रोसेस था कि हम एक मतलब द क्लोजेस्ट थिंग टू योर होम, वैसे वाला वो डिजाइन, अगर मतलब कैसा ना कि एक ग्रैंडमा या ग्रैंडफा को एक वाइब हो, जिसमें एक स्पेस हो जिसमें वो खुद को कंफर्टेबल, जब भी हम डिजाइन कर रहे थे तभी दैट वाज अ थॉट ऑफ डिजाइनिंग। हाँ, तो
वाह
वो चूज कर रहे थे, तो वो बेसिकली एक ग्रेटिफिकेशन था कि या हमने बराबर चीज बना।
That's amazing. That's amazing. And Manisha, you were also speaking about कुछ festival celebration and everything. So do you want to highlight some experience of कि आप किस टाइप के celebrations आपके रेस्टोरेंट में करते हो? हाँ
जैसे कि बर्थडेज हो, मैंने एक्चुअली डेकोरेशंस में बाहर आउटसाइड में बोर्ड रखी हुई है कि कस्टमर्स आते हैं वो एंजॉय करते हैं। बाहर सेल्फी पॉइंट्स के लिए कोहली एंड कोहली, मतलब कोहली और वुमन एंड मेन वो उसकी सेल्फीज वगैरह ले लेते हैं, तो वो एक एडिशन उनके साथ हो जाता है। और कस्टमर्स जब सेलिब्रेशंस करते हैं, मतलब किड्स को बलून्स दे,
अरे
सो
वाह
वो वाइब हम क्रिएट करते हैं बेसिकली सेलिब्रेशंस का, जो कि
वाह
कस्टमर्स भी एंजॉय कर कर पाए।
वाह वाह। नहीं, आई थिंक रियली स्मॉल एलिमेंट्स लाइक दीज बहुत मैटर करती हैं एंड जो आपने कंप्लीट एक्सपीरियंस क्रिएट करने की कोशिश करी है, दैट ऑफ कोर्स एक कस्टमर के लिए देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ नॉस्टैल्जिया टू इट, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ होमली फीलिंग टू इट एंड उसी लिए वो वापस वापस भी आते हैं, वो और सेलिब्रेशन के लिए वापस आते हैं। So really good to know what is the essence and soul of Mihai Kohli. Good to know about that. Most regional cuisines struggle to scale because they are basically dependent on a master chef. But you have built a system based on base gravies, extended shelf lives, SOPs, chef dependency reduce karke, all of that. So how did you balance authenticity with like operational scalability? So any thoughts on that, Bhavesh?
Basically, we have invested heavily on R&D to make preservative-free mother gravies to maintain the taste, texture, and quality while keeping the shelf life for 12 months. So, without any need of refrigeration. And the recipes of these gravies are not something which we have developed yesterday. These are the same recipes which our grandma has fed us. So, the scalability, we have been in this industry for 15 years, and we have
Wow.
engineered our recipes and SOPs in such a way that any a common one can also make authentic Kohli recipes in just it's less than a week's training.
वाह नहीं, आई थिंक दैट मैटर्स बिकॉज मतलब अब आप स्केलेबिलिटी को चेज कर रहे हो एंड आप यू ऑफ कोर्स वांट टू क्रिएट अ सिस्टम इन प्लेस, एसओपी इन प्लेस, कि थिंग्स आउटसाइड ऑफ योर लोकल ज्योग्राफी आल्सो टेस्ट द सेम या टेस्ट द सेम ऑथेंटिसिटी आउटसाइड ऑफ जो आपके ओरिजिनल रेस्टोरेंट हैं। तो ऑफ कोर्स जब आप वन रेस्टोरेंट में थे दैट इज वन, बट लाइक नाउ व्हेन यू आर स्केलिंग टू 3, 5, 10 एंड 100, तो इसमें वही टेस्ट रहे, ये एसओपीज बहुत जरूरी हैं। रियली गुड टू नो कि यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड हेवीली इन R&D एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव gotten that outcome really well.
I feel that if you want to scale something, you need processes and a proper systems to track everything. So we have built that systems.
Wow. No, that's true. So good to know and so good to understand. So this is not just a nostalgia-driven expansion. It's a disciplined hospitality backed by system. So good to know about that as well. Now let's talk about the heart of Mihai Kohli, the 17 signature thali. There is seafood, chicken, mutton, vegetarian. Why thalis? Manisha, can you highlight on this?
Balanced meal actually. One can find the menu and it's loved with by family members and variety of cuisines actually.
Yeah, which contains a variety. So it is loved by family members, all family members.
Very interesting. How did this menu evolve over the years? मतलब आप लोगों ने जब चालू किया था तब ये मेन्यू कैसा था? And over the years क्या आप एडिशन करते गए? And like which of them have been like the best sellers or best loved by your audience?
So 70% of the menu is same, which we started in 2011. So the basically the 30% menu is what market demands or what the new Gen Zs demand. The 70% menu remains the same. It's from 2011 till date.
Very
Remains the
interesting. And what was the feedback and everything, Manisha, if you want to highlight something on the menu? Huh.
We have products like keema bao, crunchy prawn short, jamun short, barbecues, chicken barbecue, paneer barbecue, and stuffed pomfret. We can make for janjis actually. It's kids.
Very
And
interesting.
Actually, the Instagrammable food requirement was more. So the
Right.
food remained same. The palette and the taste remained
The
same. But we
presentation.
the presentation changed. So we
Right.
made the food a bit of Instagrammable food.
Right. No, that matters. I'm sure it is not only about how the food is tasting, but also about how it is presented to you.
Right,
Of
right.
course,
मतलब लोग पहले फोटो
thali.
निकाल दिया फिर खा
That is true. So how the presentation is, be it of the thali or be it a Gen Z food जो आप लोगों ने create करनी कोशिश करी है. So that's so lovely to know. And you have of course like introduced modern additions जो just आप बता रहे थे Manisha, like barbecue, fusion dishes, mocktails, which is of course widening the appeal and without of course compromising the identity of Mihai Kohli. So how was that experience overall? मतलब did that of course there was demand from the audience, but like how was that experience overall? And because you didn't want to lose the soul of Mihai Kohli ki jo aapne create jahan se aap chalu kiye the, but you of course want to match up to the expectation of current user. So anything on that,
जब
Manisha?
हमने चालू किया था तभी हमें ऐसे लगा था कि कस्टमर्स उसको अडेप्ट करेंगे या नहीं, मतलब कैच करने के लिए उन्होंने मतलब विद इन द वीक वो अच्छा खासा उन्होंने पिक कर लिया था, मतलब बाव, मॉकटेल्स, डेजर्ट्स जो यूनिक हमने स्टार्ट किए थे.
Interesting.
मतलब 5-6
Interesting.
इयर्स पहले अगर कुछ चेंज करते थे ना मेन्यू में, जैसे सपोज हमने अगर एक प्रॉन्स राइस को अगर सपोज दम प्रॉन्स राइस क्रिएट किया तो एक ट्रैक्शन आता था कस्टमर्स के पास से. बट अभी नहीं है. लोग बहुत रिसेप्टिव हो गए हैं. मतलब इनफैक्ट उनको भी चेंज चाहिए, क्योंकि मतलब एक ग्रैंड माँ उसके ग्रैंड डॉटर या ग्रैंड सन के साथ आती है तो ग्रैंड डॉटर ग्रैंड सन को कुछ नया चीज चाहिए, इंस्टाग्रामेबल चाहिए. तो फिर उस टाइम पे फिर ग्रैंड माँ भी वो रिलीज करती है और फिर उसको भी अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि हमने टेस्ट वही रखा है जो हमारा कोर है, बट हमने उसका जो प्रेजेंटेशन.
Wow, that's so good to know. And of course, overall, just as seafood consumption is growing steadily, organized coastal dining remains limited. Regional cuisine is seeing stronger demand across India. So, why is this the right time to scale Mihai Kohli nationally, Bhavesh?
Yeah, matlab, as I said earlier, that we have realized that in past few years now the experiential customers have increased multifold, and there is a gap in the market. The gap is that there are limited organized seafood players who serves to the customers. So to cater this gap, we decided to we should move into the franchising thing. But franchising needs a franchise operating system. So we built that operating system, and since it is ready now, so we are moving into franchising business.
Amazing. Yeah, I think that's so lovely to hear. Of course, systems need to be in place to scale, and of course, this is a very good time for Mihai Kohli to scale. Of course, given there is demand in tier 2, tier 3 city in dining, and of course, families are seeking quality dining formats. And coastal dining chain की भी of course there is very limited availability जो audience seek करती है कि authentic coastal food मिले. तो it's really good to know that of course you're now planning to expand. Let's also speak to entrepreneurs who are watching this. If someone in नाशिक, बैंगलोर, इंदौर, दिल्ली, दे फील कि यार मेरी सिटी में भी Mihai Kohli होना चाहिए as part of offering. So how can they become part of your vision? वो कैसे आपके साथ जुड़ सकते हैं?
So Mihai Kohli is offering a franchise opportunity via franchise-owned, franchise-operated model. We have kept the onboarding fees of INR 5 lakh for the support to run a franchise system smoothly. The tenure of the offering is 5 years, and we will grant exclusive territorial rights for a certain radius of the outlet.
Interesting. And I mean, what kind of support can they expect? Like anyone who is becoming your partner, तो क्या expect कर सकते हैं? Of course, because given your experience, आपने already इसमें इंडस्ट्री में 15 साल बिताए हैं, you have run multiple restaurants, तो आपको काफी experience है, so what can they expect out of this opportunity?
Okay, we'll provide them location and layout guidelines. We will support them in setting up their kitchens. We will train their staffs. We will provide SOPs. We will audit. We will do umbrella marketing from them, the umbrella brand marketing, and we will also assist them in their launch.
Very interesting. So this is not just buying a job. This is building a structural coastal dining business in your city. So good to know. Manisha, on your side, like what are the things on in terms of support which we'll be providing to a partner, and of course beyond dine-in, what makes this business resilient? कि dine-in of course becomes the soul of the business, but उसके बाद ऐसी क्या चीजें हैं जिससे business will thrive, is going to do good?
There are dining online business also. Takeaway is there. Instant mixes we sell. Instant mixes, koli masalas, Malwani masalas, dried fish, and flowers also.
Interesting. And so I think that is so good, because if a single business has multiple revenue streams, partner के लिए भी अच्छा हो जाता है, because they are not just dependent on a single dine-in revenue opportunity, and when they have like multiple revenue streams, then of course they can diversify, and their growth of course becomes more and more steady.
Yes, now we have created a performance P&L dashboard which can help us monitor our expenses. So that actually really helps. Means there is a dashboard which has percentage of costs. There is a percentage. There is everything. There is a percentage. So that dashboard actually helps that to control the expenses basically.
Real question is who brings Koli to their city first, and I'm sure a lot of our listeners who are listening to this would want to, of course, bring this authentic coastal food experience to their respective cities. So anyone who is interested in this, of course, can reach out to Mihai Koli, and of course have this opportunity to bring this authentic food in their city. Now, quickly moving to a rapid fire round, Bhavesh and Manisha. Thanks for sharing so much insight. Now let's have some fun. I'll be asking quick questions, and I'll be expecting one word quick answers from the both of you. So let me do it one by one. Bhavesh, मैं आपसे start करता हूँ. One dish that defines Mihai Koli.
Surmai thali.
Interesting. And one mistake first time restaurateurs make.
Basically, they would sit in the restaurant regularly.
Interesting. And one city you're excited to launch next.
Pune.
Very interesting. Growth or authenticity, what wins?
Growth.
Very interesting. Mihai Koli in one sentence.
Mumbai is fisher for food.
Very interesting.
Yeah, that's our tagline actually.
Wow. Manisha, आपके लिए a rapid fire, like one design element every restaurant must get right.
Lighting and layout.
Wow. The most underrated seafood.
Ghol.
Interesting. And brand is built more by food or service.
Food.
Wow. And one hospitality myth you would want to break.
Bring rooted is outdated.
Interesting. And if Mihai Koli were a movie, what would be the title of the movie?
Mumbai's Coastal Crown.
Oh, wow. Interesting. Of course, this podcast was not just a restaurant story. It was about culture, systems, scalable authenticity. Mihai Koli, of course, proves that regional cuisine doesn't have to stay regional. If you're a food lover, entrepreneur, seeking structured F&B opportunity, someone who believes in that culture can scale without dilution, Mihai Koli can be your next big move. Thank you, Bhavesh and Manisha, of course, for sharing the story of Mihai Koli. So this was so lovely to hear from the both of you. This is the Success Playbook by Expertrons and Shine. So glad to have both of you on the episode, and so glad to listen to the stories of both of you.
Thank you, Jatin.
Yeah, thanks.